I'm so bored. What shall I do at McDonald's? That's it. If no one is here, maybe I could get a job. Hi Aaron, can I get a job here please? Sure Eddie K.
Hi Aaron and Eddie K. Can I get a job here too please?
Sure Andrew.
Hello boys. Can I get a job here too please?
Sure Adriana.
Hello guys, can I get a job here too please?
Sure Zara.
Hello guys, can I get a job here too please?
Sure Dora. Hello guys, can I get a job here too please? Sure David.
Now all we need to do is to wait for a customer.
Hi Robert Coates Animation. Welcome to McDonald's. How may we take your order?
May I have 1,000 cheeseburgers, 900 chicken nuggets, 800 fries and a large Coke please?
I'm afraid I can't get you that much because you will get so fat and the boss will fire me if I get one of the customers fat.
Maybe this $1 might make you guys change your minds.
Oh. Did I say I can get you that much? All I was meant to say was, I can get you that much. Just go sit at the table and we will get your order.
Well Robert, it looks like you have ordered this much food.
So what?
You're going to get so fat and I might make fun of you at school.
Just shut up and let me have the dumb food already. Oh boy, I'm going to be so stuffed. That was delicious. Oh no, I'm fat. I need to go to the hospital and get surgery to remove the fat. You guys made me so fat. That's it. I'm calling your parents.
Aaron. Eddie K.
Andrew.
Adriana.
Zara. Dora.
David.
We can't believe you made Robert Coates fat. He's one of my favorite YouTubers.
All of you are grounded for 6 weeks.
I'm reporting you to Erica.
I'm reporting you to Couldn't Pet It.
And there will be no TV, no movies, no video games, no YouTube, no Go Animate. And furthermore,
What are you talking about?
you are grounded, in which this means no life, no fun, and no Go Animate.
When we get home, you will all go upstairs to your rooms. And look Dora. Erica's here.
Hello, it is me Erica. How dare you open that McDonald's with Aaron, Eddie K, Andrew, Adriana, Zara and David. That's it. You're grounded. I'm going to call Joseph Saletti and Kristen Konko.
Dora. This has got to teach you a lesson. You will be wearing nappies for the rest of your natural abominable life.
Yes. Dora, you are now wearing nappies. Now you will get a scary voice as your punishment.
No. Change it back. Change it back.
You will stay as a scary voice for the rest of your life. And also, you are becoming a baby for the rest of your life.
You see this Dora? This is why you look like a baby because you are now wearing nappies. And David, there is someone here who wants to see you.
Hello, it is me, Couldn't Pet It. And I'm here to teach you a strong, strict, painful and severe lesson. You will be wearing diapers for the rest of your natural abominable life. And you will get Ivy's voice as your punishment.
No. Change it back. Change it back.
You will stay as Ivy's voice for the rest of your natural abominable life.
And guess what, David? I have a surprise for you.
What is it?
David Smith, say your ABCs.
Nah.
Now that you're turned into a baby, you stay babies. Come on, David. I'm going to take you to your dad so he can ground you.
And by the way, you are all grounded for 6 weeks. Goodbye. Man, I really hate those troublemakers.